iPro Camera Application Platform provides an SDK that enables the development of applications that run inside iPro cameras, allowing partners to provide customized solutions to end users in a variety of industries. SDK version 3.10 makes it easier to develop C language applications by utilizing GDB. The conventional application development process requires writing code on a PC, building the application, installing it on the camera, checking logs, and debugging. Developer needs to do this process repeatedly. With SDK version 3.10, you can use GDB to check operation in real time on the camera. When you build an application you're developing in debug mode, you can connect to the application via SSH. By installing this application on the camera, connecting to the application via SSH from VS Code, and launching GDB, you can debug on the camera. To protect the security of your app, SSH connections are only available during development. The items required for development are listed here. To develop, you need a camera with an Ambarella CV52 SoC that supports Docker. Once development is complete, you will also be able to create an application that will work with cameras with other SoCs. To download the SDK and check detailed instructions, please register for an account on the developer portal site listed in the description. Let's start with development procedure. Put the SSH connection file generated on your PC in the SDK's conf folder in advance, and build your application in debug mode. Here I will try it out using the sample app included in the SDK. When the build is complete, application will be generated. Next, install the Docker extension module and the built application from the camera's web page. You can install in the same way as another application. By connecting to the application via SSH, you can access the application's configuration file, log file, and execute various Linux commands. Let's try using GDB. You can connect to applications installed on the camera from VS Code. By stopping the application, the code being executed will be displayed, and you will be able to see the current value of the variables. Processing can also be paused by setting a breakpoint in the source code. For example, set a breakpoint in a process that runs at regular intervals. Add a counter or any variable to monitor changes in its value. Variables can be modified using GDB commands. Next, let's step through the program when opening the application's web UI. This sample is a simple app that displays text. Breakpoints can be set in functions that generate HTML. allowing you to step through and verify the output. This video explained a new way to debug your applications, so be sure to try out the new SDK.